All right, guys, what's going on? This is Mike Price, the hybrid agent, and today we are in Desoto still, and we're checking out 500 Cedar Rapids Lane. This is new construction. It looks to be about 95 to 97% done. Looks like they just got to lay the side and all that. But this is a extremely nice home, and we're going to go inside and take a look at it. All right, so this house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, I believe, and it's sitting on about a half an acre. Excuse the wind. I went off and left my microphone today, but let's go ahead and take a look at this property. As you can see, it is a side entry garage, side entry 2-car garage, and yes, we're in the country part of DeSoto, as I'd call it. You can hear the chickens, but 2-car garage right here. And if you got a third car, you know I love the third car slot, so you can pull in a car and not have to play musical cars in the morning time. And this outside gate has a dual opening here, so you can definitely get your toys, boats, cars, or whatever you need to get in this gate because it's going to open with the dual latch system. All right, so we got dual sidewalks, one directly to the front of the house and then another here directly off the driveway. Walking up to the front door, full covered porch. It goes up pretty high, and I love this door. This door is extremely heavy. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so before we tour this house, here's a great chance for you to subscribe to my channel. And the reason you want to subscribe to my channel is because I have the best deal in real estate when you utilize my hybrid agent program. What's a hybrid agent program? Where we're going to use up to half of the real estate agent's commission to go towards your closing costs. What we do with that money is we buy down your interest rate. So while everybody else out there is worried about how high interest rates are, my clients are not. You definitely want to subscribe to my channel because my clients end up saving on average about $400 to $500 a month. On this home, it's probably going to be about $400 to $450 than anybody else out there. I guarantee you we're going to get you the best deal in real estate. Okay, so we're in the home, and as soon as you walk into the house, you have an office, which could also be a bedroom if you needed 4 bedrooms. So I want you guys to take a look at the ceilings. Extremely tall ceilings in this home. And excuse the echo. There's no furniture in here. There's all wood floor. So we got a little bit of an echo. And I left my wireless mic at home. So we're going to be picking up everything that the phone picks up. But this office seems to be about 12 by 12. So it's a really nice size for you to be able to get your work done in here. All right, now right off the front entrance is the open concept living room. All right, so you got your open concept built-in fireplace. You got some shelving over here. Obviously, you can see the backyard. We'll get to that. Here is the kitchen, and I like this because there's plenty shelf space in here. Room for your refrigerator. You got plenty of cabinet space. I'm guessing this can be some type of bar, wet bar type of situation right here. But plenty of counter space. And you got your nice drop-in sink with your huge island. So if you want to put bar stools right there, you totally could. Plenty of counter space. Let's see what this pantry looks like. All right, so nice size pantry. Looks like they left us some Windex, so you know somebody's been in here cleaning. This backsplash almost has like a 3D type of look to it. That's pretty cool. You got a vent hood right here, so this looks like where your stove is going to go in, and plenty of counter space. You got space for a dishwasher, and plenty of cabinet space down there as well. Here is your dining room area, right here, or your breakfast nook. And let's just go ahead and see, since we're right here, right off the kitchen, you got your master bedroom. All right, so we're going to go in here. Real tall ceilings, really tall ceilings. Ceiling fan seems to be really nice. All right, so here's your master bedroom. This is where you will spend the majority of your time. Let's go ahead and get a full view of this room here. Spin you guys around. You can kind of have a look. All right, directly off the master, you've got your primary, let me clarify that. You got your primary restroom. All right, now this shower is pretty big. So you got plenty of space here. All right, one shower head, pretty big shower. Got a little spot to keep all your soap and stuff so you don't have to have one hanging off of your shower head there. Built-in little cupboard over the bathtub. Super deep super deep bathtub also. So got your window in your bathroom for privacy. So it's kind of, what's they call that, frosted? That was frosted. I'm gonna assume this is the toilet right here. Yes, closed off toilet, so when you're doing your business, nobody can come in here and mess with you. Cabinet over that. Now here is dual sinks in the restroom. Okay, now we're gonna go through here. Closet space, pretty big. All right, so you got room for his and hers. Well, take that back. You got room for hers, depending on how much clothes she has. But you got a shoe rack in here as well for your shoes or purses or whatever you need to put up there. Let's see here. Got some built-in drawers as well, so this will help alleviate some of the space being taken up in your room. Directly through this room, you have your washroom area. So full-size washer and dryer, some built-in cabinets. Actually have a sink in the washroom. That's actually a great thing to have in your washroom. All right, now going through this door, back out of the master bedroom, a secret way. Now, right down that hallway is the master. Right here is, you got a coat rack to drop your coats and shoes from coming in outside. Right through this door, garage. 2-car garage. Looks like like I said, they're about 98% finished with this home. So still a little bit of work to be done, but it's in good enough shape to show it to you guys. All right, so now back to the other side of the home. All right, so got your kitchen, your dining room. Remember, I said this thing had huge ceilings. Let's take a look up there. Super tall cathedral ceilings. Opens up this room quite a bit, makes it seem way bigger than what it is. Okay, so right up here over the fireplace, you can hang your television. You got the electric fireplace that will work with the switch and some cabinet space over there. And over here we have two other bedrooms. All right, so bedroom 2 right here. Nice size bedroom, wood flooring, looks like laminate. But let's get a view of how big this room is. Okay, secondary bedroom seems to be really decent size. Now right through here, there is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you got your counter space there. And what seems to be a closet right here with some shoe racks, along with a little bit of space. The closets in here aren't very big, but it'll do in a pinch. All right, so right in here, Jack and Jill, tiled shower, floor to ceiling tile, real nice custom bathroom. That's pretty cool. And so here you got your toilet with your counter space up top. All right, so with the Jack and Jill, everyone has their own sink. And over to this bathroom here. All right, so here is bedroom 3, right down the hall from the other one. Not very bright in here, so I wonder what that's about. All right, so still wood flooring in here. You got a window you can see into the backyard. You can also get your bathroom. Now, right down this hallway was bedroom number 2. All right, so here's the bathroom number 3. All right, so it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with an office. And as you can see, real custom bathroom, floor to ceiling tile, and it's not that cheap tile. This is really good tile flooring in here as well. Okay, so let's step out on this patio. Now this patio is really nice. All right, so the patio, you got an outdoor fireplace. Looks like it's all wood. There's your chickens again. Like I said, we're in the country part of Desoto, if I would call it. But this patio seems to be real nice size. So you got enough room. Hey, you can throw a table out here with some chairs, relax with the fireplace. Maybe watch the game up there, Bang Bang Niner game. And here's your backyard, which is not finished. This is the 2% that I was telling you that needs to be completed. But if you want land, everybody always says, hey, I want acres or I want a big lot. Here is your lot. There is enough room back here to do whatever you like to. You want to throw in a pool and have a backyard oasis, you can. As if you can see, or as you can see, the neighbors and everyone around you has really nice backyards as well. So this is a pretty substantial backyard. I mean, if it's a backyard that you want, here is a backyard that you get. Just gonna kind of depend on where you want to put your money at. All right, so we're wrapping this tour up. Once again, I gotta tell you about my hybrid agent program. You do not want to buy a house. Hey, click the button down low. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. People don't realize how big of a deal that is to get half the real estate agent's commission to go towards your closing costs. I'm not even gonna say we're going towards your closing costs. We're gonna buy your rate down so that you can afford a home and it can be way cheaper than what you think it's gonna be. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a link in the description. For those of you that are interested in the hybrid agent program and you want to learn more about it, all it is, there's a page. You're gonna go to it. You're gonna tell us the type of home you're looking at. We're gonna send you back a free 10-page guide that tells you all about the hybrid agent program and how you're gonna get the best deal in real estate. We're gonna text it to you. You're also gonna be able to download that thing. So definitely take a look at that. Don't buy a house without the hybrid agent program.
Baby, don't be sorry for